Mercury Smart Craft gauges are something that people have been familiar with for many, many years. But two of the screens within the Smart Craft gauges that I use, probably more than almost any others, are going to be the fuel flow and fuel use screen. So the fuel screen basically. And what fuel flow basically does is it's telling me how many gallons per hour I'm burning. So I'm able to dial in the speed with basically my RPM set up and figure out if I have enough gas to get in if I'm making a long run. And every time I fill up my boat, I reset the fuel use screen so I know to a T exactly how much gas I have left in my boat. So Smart Craft for the fuel situation is a great thing to pay attention to. Now the next thing that I really pay attention to a lot is the RPM screens. Basically this is allowing me to know the exact RPMs. I'm not paying attention to a tack gauge where I don't know if it's perfect. It might be 5,900 or 6,200 RPMs. The Smart Craft gauge tells me exactly what it is, because when you're really stickler about the performance, 200 RPMs can make all the difference in the world in getting an extra mile, 2 miles an hour. So really use these Smart Craft gauges. Great things to let you know how your motor's running, and really when you want to dial in your boat, pay attention to the RPMs and also pay attention to the fuel screens to make sure you get in and you're not sitting out there on the water running out of gas.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.